about DML triggers. So here we have two types of triggers, like after triggers instead of triggers. Okay, so as we said that DDL triggers for DDL triggers will fire in response to various DDL events. Okay, like these events. So here we don't have any special tables like inserted, deleted. So what is the purpose of inserted, deleted? We will discuss in DML triggers. Okay, and we can create multiple triggers on an object. Okay, so and coming to DML triggers, mainly we have two types of triggers: after triggers instead of triggers. Okay, so these can be classified into, again, after trigger can be classified into three types: after insert, after update, after delete. Like that, instead of insert, instead of update, instead of delete. Okay, so here inserted table. So some people we call it as like special tables and virtual tables, and some people call it as magic tables, like that. Okay, so here what is the purpose of inserted table means it will have the copy of the row whenever you are trying to insert new record into the actual table. Okay, so whenever you are trying to insert the data into the table, that entire data will be stored in inserted. Okay, deleted table means whenever you are trying to delete the data from table, that data will be lies in deleted table. Okay, so trigger event for inserting the data. In this inserted data, we have the data, but we don't use that deleted table. Okay, so for update trigger, we will have inserted data, inserted table, and deleted table. For deleting data, we don't have inserted table and we have deleted table. Okay, see, if you understand this update, then you can come to know easily what is the purpose of inserted and deleted table. Okay, so I will take one example. Whenever you are trying to execute update command means, okay, so update means already some old data will be there. You are trying to change that data. Okay, so old data will be saved in inserted table. Sorry. Old data will be saved in deleted table and new data will be saved in inserted table. Okay, so remember this, then you can easily understand that inserted and deleted table. So old data update trigger, inserted means what you are going to change, that data will be available in inserted table. Deleted means what you are going to erase. Okay, that means new data will be placed in the place of old data, right? So that old data will be placed in deleted table. Okay, so then that means while using insert operation, data will be stored in inserted table. So at the time we don't have any data in deleted table. So while doing deletion operation means that deleted table will be having data, inserted table will not have data. Okay, now first one is after insert. So after insert means trigger will be executed whenever table completes insert operation. Okay, so insert operations means suppose that table will have some constraints. So that inserting data will satisfy all the constraints. Then only trigger will be fired. Okay. Here I'm going to create one table like what is the table? Product table. Here I am giving serial number identity of 1, 1. Okay, and product PID. So this one varchar of 5 and P name, product name. This one is varchar of 50. So this is just like master table. And same table, wait a minute, one more column, created, date time, default, get date, okay, product underscore history. That means whenever this table, the data will be inserted into this product table, I want that data to be inserted into product history table also. Okay, so with the details of serial number, product ID, product name, and created when that product has been created in product table. I want the details in product history also. Okay, so just like some other name, okay, some other table, I want to insert into that table also. Okay, so here ID, as we know that identity column, we can assign that identity column property to only one column. Okay, and product ID, product name. So these values comes from product table. Okay, so and recreated. Okay, so see this, these 4 columns comes from product table. Okay, now I'm going to create these 2 okay, see, this is a server level trigger. So master I'm going to create it. So server level trigger has fired, so that we are getting this message. Okay, so I'm going to disable this. Yeah, disabled. Drop table product history. Okay, better to hide and disable all the triggers. Again, we will get confusion. 3 triggers only, no? Okay. Now we don't have any messages. Now create it. See, we don't have any messages. Why? Because I have disabled all the triggers, so it will not fire until you enable the trigger. Okay, now I'm going to create one trigger. Okay, so trigger tr underscore. I'm giving some table name product, giving some name insert after insert, right? So af underscore insert after insert on which table. So this DML triggers, we have to specify that table level triggers. Okay, so which table means product table. Okay, on table name, and when the trigger has to fire after insert only. Okay, as begin end. Okay, so here according to this table, see this, while using that insert operation, while creating trigger on insert, then we have to use inserted table. Okay, so insert into product history. Okay, so here column names, these two are column names. Sorry, these two are column names. So serial number also, serial number created. These are the 4 columns. So I have to get these 4 columns from product table. Okay, so here no need to write product table. Okay, just write inserted table. See, inserted. Okay, deleted. Okay, these are the just like predefined tables like for triggers. Okay, so writing insert and insert trigger, so that inserting data will be stored in inserted table. Okay, so I'm going to create this table, create this trigger. Now whenever I am trying to insert some data into this product table, this will automatically populated in product history table also. Okay, that is the main purpose of this trigger. So PID, name, values, and here underscore 123 I'm giving, and p name product 1. Okay, and you can write that table names product history. I'm going to execute this. See, 2 rows affected. That means one record belongs to product table and another record belongs to product history. See that. See. So first, this data will be inserted into product table, and according to this trigger, so this the table will have one trigger, right? Insert trigger, after insert trigger. So the table is having after insert trigger, so that after inserting into this product table, okay, that inserted data will be saved in inserted, right? Inserted table. Okay, so we are fetching that data whatever inserted into that product table, and we are fetching that data from inserted table, and we are inserting into product history table. Okay, so like if you use, I'm giving 45. Okay, so it is varchar. So if you give like this also, no problem. Records are inserted. See, product. Okay, but here I don't want to insert some records. that means I have to put some condition. Okay, so in that, so select suppose if the product ID is less than 100. Okay, so then I don't want to insert into product history table. Then how to write that query? Inserted where PID equal to or hundred. One. No. So wait a minute. So my goal is if PID is less than 100, then I don't want to insert. Okay. So yeah, we will check. Exist. So make it alter, and if it is I am giving 101, then we will check. Not one. So that means 101. So this condition is satisfied. That's why it is allowing to insert into product history table. Suppose I am giving like 99. We'll check. See, only one record has been inserted. That means according to the logic in trigger, so it will not allow to insert into product history table. Okay, why? Because the PID should be greater than 100, then only the data will be inserted into product history table. Okay, so this logic you can write it on your own. I mean, according to the requirement. Okay.